Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook golden salted egg fried rice. This is one of the most famous fried rice in China. Hope you are like it. First, prepare 2 salted eggs and separate the egg yolk from the egg white. Use a spoon to press the egg yolk. Make sure it becomes smooth and soft. Now prepare the pan and add some cooking oil into it. Put the egg yolk into the pan and cook until the oil comes out. Cut some carrot into small dices. Cook some green peas and put them onto a plate. Add the carrot into the pan and stir fry for a short while. Now add some overnight rice and cook until you can hear the sound of the rice jumping on the pan. I mean this sound, can you hear it? Now cut the egg white into small pieces. Put the green peas and egg white into the pan. Stir fry everything for a short while. Add 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. In the end, cut some scallion and add it into the pan. Stir fry until you can smell the flavor of scallion, then turn off the fire and this dish is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.